Well, good morning, everybody. It has been an eventful morning. Let's hop to it. See that or not? Alright, now I'm gonna find these two. Find our trench lining. That we generated from the power trench and stuff. I'm going this way. A little bumpy. This machine's running like crap. It's slow, it has no power. Boss showed up and I'll let him know. Dirt move. There she blows. We got this utility opened up, our water line trench. There's our low point going out there. That that piece of pipe over there is a little too high. We're gonna have to cut that curve and move it. We gotta do it on a couple of these lots. Our sewer, Frank's got that going for it.
Last time.
Gonna go into that sleeve there. That one's gonna be the storm. That one's gonna be the water. That one's the one I last pointed out. That's glaring. The last one I pointed out is full of concrete, so that's why we're using it for the water. I would have used it for the sewer, but obviously we can't. So, you know what time it is? Lunchtime. Catch you in a few.
So,
got Frank over there laying that utility, and I'm just gonna start opening up this one. I don't know how much daylight is left. It might get laid, but we'll see. By the way, I jumped in the 85 because it was just right here in the backyard. And make it over there real quick. It's just gonna be a small little trench. Not be much, well, for the water line, but then once we get about 5 foot from the power, it's gonna be a 12-foot wide trench, maybe even more. Sleeve is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but right there where that stake is. Got Soka's trench inspections on the ones Dan opened up, and we passed, so that's good. So tomorrow we can put fabric in it, round rock. We're not going to pipe in the ones on the digouts yet because there's no foundation, so we'll get that one that we did the utility on today. We'll pipe in that, we'll lay the pipe in that, and get out there. Rocking and rolling, get that backfilled, and it's super nice having the extra help today. Oh, that thing's right in my way. I'll be back. Where were we? Oh yeah, so now I'm just digging that water line on the next utility. Like I said, I don't know if we're gonna get this whole thing opened up or a whole thing laid, because it is getting cloudy, so then it's just going to be dark. I wouldn't mind working a good 12 hours, but weather permitting. I can't wait for summer. Got my gas line right there. All this, there's nothing in between that. wish the stereo worked in this machine. It'll cut on and then it'll cut off. It's only an inch line, so it's 1 inch black poly line, so it don't have to be very deep. Gas to be 2 foot from either side of that locate. We need dirt alongside of the house here, so. All right, guys, we are done here for today. We got that utility over there all laid. This one's about laid. It's tomorrow and finish the sewer. But Frank was laying that. I went and got the sidewalk all dug out all the way to down there. So thank you for watching. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, like button too. That really helps out a lot, and we'll catch you on the next one.